Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really pretty layered card for you. This is my Best Mom layered card. Isn't that fun? The front cover panel there layers together. There's that sweet little sentiment there at the top, and I think it's just super beautiful. There's a spot here on the inside for your message, and of course I included envelope as well. This card can be made using the Cricut Explore or Cricut Maker series. It's a 5x7 card and super simple to put together. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Alright, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you are not a Crafters Club member, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page that discusses our different membership tiers. Right now we have free, monthly, and annual memberships for you to choose from. Go ahead and select which option is right for you, and then you can move on to this next step. I'm going to go ahead and click the sign in button. I'll go ahead and enter my credentials and log in. And now we're logged into our account. To access the file library, you can either go to the sidebar and select File Library, or on the main navigation bar, you can go to Files and then select File Library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 170. That's the Best Mom layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been added to our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. There's a few things that we need to do as far as the score lines, so we need to scroll down the Layers panel, highlight the score line for the envelope, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach, and then we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two things have been converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. You can see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is layer together our front cover panel. We're just going to layer the purple layer on top of the cream color. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit, and I'll show you what that looks like when I'm all done. Alright, I know that it's a little difficult to see all of the details without it being on our card base, but that is what it looks like. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment. We can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel together. Set that to the side. Let's take our card base and fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up that card base and add the messaging panel to the inside of the card. And go ahead and close up the card. And now we can add our front cover panel to the front of the card. And there is our Best Mom layered card. Isn't that so easy? Really, really cute. I'm going to set that to the side to let that dry. I'll show you how to make the envelope really quick. So we'll just go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Add your glue along the outer edge of that inlay panel. Flip the inlay over and add that to the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around and fold those side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom edge of those side flaps. And then with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How simple was this one to put together? I love the little design that the front cover panel creates, and you can totally customize this with your favorite colors as well. I hope that all the moms out there will enjoy receiving this card. If you make this, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other. We would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!